guys, welcome to my channel. Depending on the time you'll be watching this video, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Okay, today I'll be teaching you how to generate a thumbnail. I've seen so many people ask questions. These top content creators in this app YouTube. I saw people asking so many questions in the comment section. How do people generate your thumbnail? How do you do it? And if you notice, if you're scrolling up this YouTube, you notice that most of the video you watch, what attracts you is the thumbnail, especially the caption on it, the write-up on it. The next thing that will make people to stop and watch your video is thumbnail and their caption. Okay, your thumbnail will make them to stop, and your caption will make them to click on your video to watch it. Yes, your thumbnail will attract them, where your caption will make them so curious to know if what your caption is talking about is actually what is the video you're gonna teach, is going to teach. So I don't know, it's only short that you cannot use thumbnail. Before video above 2 minutes you can use it. Okay, and I've seen so many people posting their video just like that. A video that is up to 5-6 minutes is not good. Okay, now I'm going to teach you this. Before that, please subscribe to my channel, subscribe, like this video, share it for others to learn. Don't forget to subscribe, because I have a lot to share with you, that I be the first to know anytime I post a new video. Okay, let's go. Okay, in this training we'll be needing chat GPT in this training, and another app we'll be needing is Gemini app. Okay, but for now you'll be needing chat GPT. If you're a YouTuber, especially if you're a faceless YouTuber, you know that most of the scripts you use, chat GPT generates it for us. Yes, we now convert it to image, so we convert from image to video. Okay, in this video I'll ask chat GPT to generate a script for me using my own idea. Okay, let's say I want to make a video of a man who is wealthy, but he's only good for an outsiders, not inside his house. He don't respect the wife, he don't provide for her, that kind of a thing. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT to generate a script for me. I will say generate. Okay, I will say I need a 3 minutes script of a man, of a wealthy man who is so kind to outsiders, but inside his house his wife fear him a lot. His wife fear him a lot and cannot ask for any help or financial help because she's afraid of her husband. Now this is my idea, so I have asked ChatGPT to generate the script for me. I'll send. Once you send, you wait a little. Okay, it has given it a title, The Feared Wife. Okay, so all you have to do is to copy this script. Okay, just copy this script. When you copy it, you come down here again and paste it. You paste it. Sorry, it did not copy. Sorry. Okay, all you have to do is copy it. Now it has copied. You copied it, you paste it. Once you paste it here, you come down here and said, using this script, I need another script that I can use to generate a thumbnail image. I can use to generate a 16:9 YouTube thumbnail image. Okay, you have to do is click send. Once you send, it will generate it. It has generated a prompt that you can use to generate our thumbnail image. Okay, now all you have to do again is to copy this. First, copy it. Why I copied it is, in some cases, like me, I'm using the free version, a free chat GPT version, that sometimes in a day, if I generate more than 2 images, they'll tell me that I have exceeded the number of images I can generate. Okay, now if you notice that you have not generated enough image, that you still have chance to generate more image, as you generated the thumbnail prompt for you, all you have to do is come down here. For me, I still have about 2 chances to generate 3 image. Come down here and say, okay, using, okay, since you copied it, either you paste it, yes, you can paste it and come down here and say, using this script, I want you to generate the thumbnail for me. You send. You see, it's generating it. Remember, you have copied your out of message with the most advanced video model. You have to generate this image. It will generate. I think I only have one chance to generate a free image here. Okay, remember, you have copied the prompt already, the thumbnail prompt. Okay, once as this one is grading, I will show you another app you can use to grade that thumbnail as well, aside this chat GPT, in case you have exceeded the number of images you can generate. Okay, now I have to minimize. The another app we'll be using is Gemini app. You click on it. Once you click on it, you remember you have copied your thumbnail prompt. You paste it. Once you paste it here, sorry, you have to click on this plus sign and click on create image. Okay, you click on create image and paste your prompt. Either you paste before you click on it, or you click on the plus sign before pasting it. All of them are together. Now you have pasted your prompt, and all you have to do is click on send, so that it will generate the thumbnail for you. You have seen it. Our thumbnail is ready. Our thumbnail is a kind to strangers, cruel to his wife. All you have to do is click save. Okay, now let's go back to chat GPT to see the one is creating for us. It may not be the same image. That is that one. Oh, everything wipes out, but there's no problem. We can go and see it in my library. Okay, in case if you're generating image, sometimes it's like this. Sometimes everything I'm asking the chat GPT to do for me will be here staring at me, but sometimes before you minimize and come back, everything is wiped out. But when it comes to image, all you have to do is go to your library and find that image. So we are going to our library, my library now. I think images, yes, to look for that image. See it here. You see, kind to strangers, cruel to his wife. Now it even looks like this. The image is the same as the one Gemini app generated for us. So all you have to do is just choose anyone you want. Okay, if you want to go for this one, if you want to go for the other one, but this is the ratio size 16:9 for YouTube thumbnail. Okay, so it's very easy to generate using your script or your idea. In case if you are into a video like this one I'm using to teach you, you can use your idea like this one. I said easy way to create your thumbnail. You can come to chat GPT and say easy way to create a thumbnail. Give me a nice script that I can use to using this caption or topic. You give me a nice script that I can use to generate a thumbnail image, and the chat GPT will do it for you and it generate the image. So it's very easy, and it's very, in fact, it's a kind of important, a must. If you're intentional in growing your YouTube, it's a must that you use thumbnail in any of the video, any of the long video you are posting, because thumbnail is what will attract people to stop, and your caption is what will make them so curious to click your video and watch. Okay, I hope you got value from this video. If you got value from this video, just drop a comment, like this video, share it for others to learn, and thank you for watching. Okay, all you have to do is look up here in this arrow, you save it. That's all.